Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video I'm going to walk you through how to enable or disable the feature that allows you to automatically close tabs used to open external application on OpenGX. Now to do this is quite simple. Just takes a very few steps. So let's start. You right click from the start page or home menu, select settings. And then from the left menu here, click on features. On the right menu, scroll all the way down until you see user interface. Now once you've seen it, you search among the options there and you'll see exactly what you're looking for. There you go. Scroll to the top of the page by clicking the active tab, and then right next to it is automatically close tabs used to open external application. So if you want to enable this feature, you turn it on. If you want to disable it, you turn it off. It all depends on you. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more.